Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Minimax just dropped their new model, which is the Minimax M2.5. It is available for free to use on their official platform agent.minimax.io. Here is the official post: instant access to M2.5 on Minimax Agent web or desktop, and I am using the web version. This link I will give in description, and I have tested this model, and here you see that I have got this kind of amazing output. Okay, and also the another model that just dropped today, and its name is GLM5, and I have made this video GLM5, so please watch that. And in this video I will show you both the output from the GLM and the output from the Minimax M2.5, so that you can get the idea. And another thing guys, now the problem got resolved after releasing these two model. What problem? So previously the problem was that if you want to generate the production ready website, then you cannot get the base design from all of the previous model. So previously the only best model was Gemini 3, all of the Flash and Pro version models. But later when Opus 4.6 got released, then the problem kind of got resolved, because Opus 4.6 have the best capability to give the best output result on you can say this front end design part and plus coding all of that logic part. But now this M2.5, Minimax M2.5 and this GLM5 really better than the Opus 4.6. Yes guys, really better. And I will say that GLM5 is far better than the Minimax M2.5. Okay, why? Here you see this is the output from the Minimax M2.5. Okay, now see this portion on the right hand side. There is a here you see that analytics button, and here you see the task completed button. Okay, now what these buttons are doing, that you see that these buttons are kind of dancing, right? Now I will show you the output from the Opus 4.6. Okay, so here you see that I tried this Opus 4.6 inside anti-gravity. It is currently available for free. Now if I open this and just copy it and open it inside browser, and here you see if I just make it dark mode, now you see that there is a two box which are also dancing. Okay, so the output from this Minimax M2.5 is really kind of matching with the first 4.6. Now if you ask me the position of these models, that Minimax M2.5 and Opus 4.6 and GLM, then the position should be GLM 4.5 greater than Opus 4.6 greater than Minimax M2.5. Okay, so first is the GLM, then is the Opus 4.6, and then Minimax M2.5. And also one thing is that Minimax M2.5 and Opus 4.6, there is not that much difference. Okay, so you can use either Opus 4.6 either or Minimax M2.5, and I am pretty sure that most of the people will go for the Minimax M2.5 because the price is very less. Because for the Minimax M2.1 the price was very less than the Opus, and when they will release the actual pricing chart, then only I will make another separate video, and there I will discuss that how you can access this model through API. Okay, otherwise go to this website link agent.minimax.io, and here in this drop down select this Minimax M2.5. Here you have to select it. Okay, let me just select it. Here you see, select it and give your prompt here. Yeah, here you see that the same prompt that I tested with GLM5, the same prompt here also I have given, and I got this kind of output. So they will deploy your website also, and you can access it. This is amazing output. Okay, so these two models are really great model, and please try it and let me know your thought, your experience in the comment section. And when the model GLM5 and Minimax M2.5 will be fully released with all of that benchmark difference and through API, then I will make another separate videos. So please wait for that, and please subscribe this channel to get all of the latest updates. And if you found this video helpful, this fast hands-on experience or hands-on testing with this model, please make sure to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.